River State Governor Siminalayi Fubara has expressed concern over the conduct of some members of the Nigerian Bar and the bench, accusing them of engaging in forum shopping, delivering questionable judgments and exhibiting unprofessional behavior during the period of emergency rule recently lifted in the state. Speaking at the opening of the 2025-2026 River State legal year at the High Court complex in Port Harcourt, Governor Fubara described the occasion as a renewed chapter for the state's judiciary and governance system. He emphasized that the judiciary's primary duty is to deliver justice, strengthen good governance, and hold other arms of government accountable to the rule of law. Governor Fubara urged judges at all levels to demonstrate courage in the discharge of their duties, interpret law fairly, and protect democracy and citizens' rights.
Our humble request is that our court, be they inferior or superior, should perform their duty with courage and adjudicate and interpret our laws and cases that come before them in a way that promotes substantial justice, democracy, and protection of the fundamental rights of citizens. Be it as it may, it is all over. And today, we are back on our feet, fully reconciled with all parties, with no grudges or ill feeling towards anyone.
In his address, the Chief Judge of River State, Justice Simeon Chibuzo Ahmadi, reflected on the challenges and progress made during the previous legal year, noting that the judiciary operated under difficult conditions during the emergency rule.
The Judicial Service Commission is a statutory body established under Section 5, Part 2, third schedule of the 1999 Constitution as amended. At present, the Commission is not fully constituted due to the expiration of the tenure of its member, except for the ex-official members, that is myself, the President. Consequently, it lacks the quorum required to discharge its statutory duties effectively. A memo has been forwarded to His Excellency for appointment of other members. The staff strength of the River State Judiciary is seriously depleting in such a magnitude that raises real concern. In the year 2022, 75 staff retired from service.
Similarly, the President both serving and retired as CFR, DSSRS, former chairman of the university, and the body of benches. Your Lord, our President, both serving and retired. An appeal to
Your Lordships, A.A. Ayemeye, and the acting chief, the Honorable Justice Ijoma O. Agugwa.
Justice, as we are taught, must be rooted in confidence. And when such confidence is lost in the ability of the courts to do justice, anarchy may become our sorry portion. And may I say that legal practitioners, those of us at the bar, are not themselves free of blame. On our own part, who plead and pursue the interests of our clients, who are the litigants before the courts and other tribunals, we must do all that possible to ensure that we do not ourselves constitute cogs in the wheels of justice.
Earlier, the chairman of the NBA River State branch,
judges of the High Justice,
thanked Governor Fubara,
judges of the Federal High Court, and the judges of other jurisdictions are present,
to the legal community,
especially
and announced that
the Honorable Justice
NBA conference will now take place.
Honorable Justice
My Lord, ultimately, the experience of these difficult months has left us all, the bar, the bench, the political class, and indeed the people of River State, with valuable lessons. Each of us bore a measure of loss, and it is hoped that through it all, we have been reminded of the enduring truth that the strength of our democracy lies in our collective resolve to uphold the rule of law no matter the cost. As I hope my Lord the CJ will agree with me during the period under review, the NBA River State has also remained steadfast in its commitment to defend the integrity and the independence of the judiciary in the state.